president of Uganda uses these words, everybody understands the symbolism. When his son uses these words, everybody understands the symbolism. Why must I be given an exception? Am I not a citizen of this country? Aren't I a leader in this country? Why aren't I given a wide margin of appreciation for my freedom of speech? When the Chief Justice calls me a fool, why can't I call him a fool back? Why not? After all, we are in the public square, on the tarmac, debating politics. Because justice is politics. We are not in a courtroom arguing a client's matter. We are discussing which way for Uganda. And if it's time to call ourselves fools, let it rain. We are in very serious trouble in this country if we can't have conversations on matters of public affairs that are modulated by the rules of the game, including the right to insult and the right to annoy without going to court. What will happen when we break free of the chains and burn down those prisons? Where will they run to? Where will these judges who sent us there run to? And it has happened before, and it's going to happen. I am seeing the Chief Justice, Sekana, Zeidja, they walk around with brigades of police. Why? When Ogola, former principal judge, walks on the street and takes taxis, why does he need protection? What do you think you did wrong to Ugandans that you need the members to protect you? I think Owiny Dollo will need a member to come to court tomorrow. He will see no obscenity in it. After all, he already has a police station. I never took a travel. All Wampusi rely on a police station, a squadron to protect him. What have these people done wrong to Ugandans? It is quite simple. They are prevailing over a system that is oppressing them to the extent of depriving them of freedom of speech. They are violating the very standards they set for us. They expect us to engage in a hypocrisy, to cover up their wrongdoing. Well, some of us say enough.